Come and join me today in a snowstorm. WB Mason trucks always in the way. Gosh, you can't even get anywhere. It's all you see. WB Mason. Cannot keep that windshield very clear. I hope you guys can see okay. But man, there's some big flakes coming down every now and then. It's lots of fun. Got down off the hills, and the roads are a little bit better down here, so at least I can go a little bit faster. This is the aftermath of the storm. The next morning, it looks pretty in the trees, and oh man, these snowbanks up in this area, they're kind of high on my right side anyway.
After 700 yards, you will reach your destination. Your destination is on your right.
I'm gonna get in there. I could not find this tank. And then finally, up in the snowbank, there's the tank. The top was all covered, and I had to climb it just to get to it. Isn't that amazing? I hope they don't want to get into their garage anytime soon.